Hi, welcome. A lot of people talk to me about what self-hypnosis can do for me. My friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal and I'm teaching self-hypnosis for years. I'm practicing myself since 1972 every day in the morning. Self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool to program your subconscious mind consciously. Now, how you can use it? Once you learn this technique, a lot of things you can do with it. First, you can reprogram your subconscious mind, remove your mental blocks, program your mind to achieve your goals easily using self-hypnosis. Then, self-hypnosis can be used, people are using it in different varieties of ways. I work with the top level sportsmen. They use self-hypnosis to program their mind to become successful and learn new skills faster. They enhance their performance using self-hypnosis. You can also do that. Now, general people, like you and me, we can use self-hypnosis in our day-to-day life by controlling our habits, programming your mind to improve concentration and memory. Students, they use for concentration and memory and removing the examination phobia. People use this technique. You can use this technique to remove your fear, phobias and develop more confidence. People are using it for pain management. You can use it for pain management, healing purpose, lot of different varieties of ways you can use it. This is the most powerful tool in the world. You can, with the self-hypnosis, you can go into self-hypnosis within a few seconds, program your mind and come out. And when you come out, the programming remains in your subconscious mind and that becomes automatic. So my friend, self-hypnosis is a tool for self-mastery. So if you really want to learn self-hypnosis, I am conducting a workshop on Zoom on 8th of November. It is from 2:30 p.m. around 3-hour workshop, practical training where you learn a lot of things. If you are really interested, click on the link below, go to my website and register, or call us, the number given there. Looking forward to meeting you soon on Sunday, 8th October. 2:30 p.m. the workshop starts. You have to be there by 2:15. Once you register, we'll send you the link to come. So, you really want to take charge of your life and have self-mastery using self-hypnosis, this workshop is for you. So, see you there on November 8th at 2:30 p.m. on Zoom. Thank you.